Superworms are the larvae of darkling beetles. These large worms resemble mealworms and can grow up to 2 inches or longer. They are an excellent source of protein for large reptiles, as well as some species of fish and birds, including chickens. Breeding of superworms is a relatively easy process. Superworms have 4 stages of life: egg, larva, pupae, and beetle. The beetles are the only ones that reproduce. Choose the largest superworms possible and place a single worm into an empty 35 mm container. Poke or drill a small hole in the lid of each container so that your superworms can breathe. Leave the superworm in the empty container with no food or water. Make sure that the storage area is warm, preferably around 27 degrees Celsius. The process from larva to pupae takes 1 to 2 weeks. When their legs turn darker in color, you'll know a beetle is about to emerge. The process from pupae to beetle takes about 2 weeks. Once your pupae mature into adult beetles, you can safely remove them from their individual containers and put them together in the prepared habitat where they can thrive and breed. Select a housing container with sides at least 5 inches high. Add about 1 inch of wheat bran or a pre-made gut load to the bottom of the container. This material will serve as bedding, a source of food, and a place for your beetles to lay their eggs. Add a piece of carrot, a slice of potato, a piece of fruit or vegetable to the top of the substrate. This will provide both food and a source moisture for the beetles. Adult beetles can live up to 5 months, with a female laying nearly 500 eggs in her lifetime. Superworm beetles are fertile for their entire adult lives. It may take a few weeks for your beetles to start producing eggs and larvae. Check the habitat occasionally for any dead beetles or larvae and remove them. Move the beetles to a new container every 2 weeks to protect the larvae. This will prevent them from eating their eggs and larvae before they have a chance to mature. Keep the newly hatched larvae in the original habitat and continue to feed them pieces of fresh fruit or vegetables until you are ready to feed them to your animals or set them aside for breeding. Offer potatoes, carrots, fruits, or water crystals as a water source. It may take a few weeks or a few months for the larvae to reach their full size. Superworm beetles are temperature sensitive and will die if they become too hot or too cold. The superworms will die if they are exposed to temperatures below 16 degrees Celsius. Keep the habitat at 21 to 27 degrees Celsius